Let's now talk about the adipose tissue. The cells of adipose tissue are specialized to store fats beneath the skin. So definitely the adipose tissue's main function is to store fat that will ensure that the inner organs like the muscles and the bones are well cushioned from the outer surface, so as any external damage does not directly elicit an impact on the inner important body parts. Here you can have an overview of the adipose tissue system. These are the cell types which you are going to observe on the adipose tissue. They are spherical or oval shaped adipocytes or fat cells. So these cells are responsible for storage of fat, as a result of which enhanced cushioning of the inner body parts are possible. The inner organs are very well protected by help of the adipose tissue, which are present below the outermost epithelial tissue. Each adipose cell contains fat globules. Yes, it is because of the fat globules that the adipocytes are having a larger protoplasmic volume and they can help in the cushioning activity, due to which the nucleus and cytoplasm are displayed to the periphery. So, nucleus and cytoplasm are going to be observed at the peripheral region, whereas the inner central part is occupied by nothing but the fat globules. The excess of nutrients which are not used immediately by the body are converted into fats and are stored in this tissue. So the adipocytes, which are the cells of the adipose tissue, are enriched with fat. There are fat globules in the adipocytes, for which the nucleus has to be displaced to the periphery. The major part of the cytoplasm is also observed at the periphery. The food substances which are absorbed and are not immediately required are going to be converted into fat, stored into the adipocytes and used at the later stage during starvation or some other reasons. Usually, these adipocytes store up fat and help in protection of the inner body organ, for which they are having a larger protoplasmic volume by fat globules. And how are these fat globules being produced? The excess of nutrients which are giving us energy, when they are in excess and not being used up, are converted into fat and are stored into the adipocytes. They are often called signet ring cells because they resemble a signet ring when seen in cross section.